Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a CopyCat Chick-Fil-A chicken salad sandwich. Here are my ingredients, so let me get started. Okay, I'm doubling my recipe today, and so if you want to make it just for two, you just add one cup of chicken where I added two, and so forth. Okay, and next I'm adding my celery, which I doubled, which is 1/2 cup, and then 2 eggs, if you're just making it not doubled, naturally one. And then I'm adding 2/3 cups of mayonnaise, which I also doubled. I doubled my sweet pickle relish. And so this right here is salt and black pepper. Just add it to your taste. Okay, I'll mix all this up. I'm going to be adding this on lightly toasted wheat bread. And I'm going to be adding leaf lettuce to it. And I love chicken salad sandwiches from Chick-Fil-A. So I was very pleased when I came across this recipe. Okay, I think it's mixed up good. I'm going to give it one little taste to see if I have enough salt and black pepper. Yes, I do, and it's very good. Okay. So now I'm going to put my lettuce on my sandwich. I'm going to put my chicken mixture on it. This is what me and Calvin is having for lunch today. And we're also having some of my apple spice cake that I made yesterday to go along with it. And we're going to have a little chips to go with it too. So we're going to have a good lunch. And everything goes good with iced tea. So we're going to have some of that too. Okay. Let me get this cut. Alright, looks good. everyone. Okay, I have my CopyCat Chick-Fil-A chicken salad sandwich plated up, and this is what we're having. I'm having a little chips with mine. Calvin says he's on a diet, so he didn't want any chips, but notice that cake over there. And then iced tea always makes everything taste good. And we'll be putting sweet and low in it, so I guess you can say I'm on a diet too. Okay, have a great day, and do what you love and love what you do. And bye, everyone.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here